In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export GA4 data. Exporting your Google Analytics 4 data is a quick way to share insights, keep records, or analyze results outside of analytics, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. First, open your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're in the correct GA4 property so you're looking at the right website or app data. When the interface loads, you'll see the main navigation on the left and your dashboards on the right. Give it a moment if your workspace has a lot of traffic, as some reports can take a second to populate. Next, click Reports in the left-hand menu. This takes you into the Reports workspace, where you'll find collections like acquisition, engagement, monetization, and retention. Navigate to the specific report view you want to export, because your export will mirror exactly what's currently on your screen. If your chart or table has filters, comparisons, or segments applied, those will be reflected in the file you download. Now look to the top right corner of the report for the share icon. It typically appears as a small arrow or share symbol next to other action buttons. Click that icon to bring up your sharing options. You might see more than one option here, but for a straightforward local copy, you'll use the download option. From the Share menu, click Download File and then select your preferred format. You'll usually see choices like PDF and CSV. Choose PDF if you want a polished snapshot that preserves the on-screen layout, perfect for quick reviews or presentations. Choose CSV if you plan to open the data in a spreadsheet or import it into another tool for deeper analysis. After selecting the format, your file will generate and download to your device. If your report is large, give it a moment to process. Once the download completes, open the file from your Downloads folder and confirm everything looks right. The export includes what you saw in the report view, so if something is missing or needs a tweak, return to the same report, adjust your view as needed, and download again. Keep your exports organized by naming files clearly with the report type and date so they're easy to find later. Also, be mindful of data privacy when sharing exported files. Only send them to people who should have access. That's it. Open your Google Analytics account, click Reports, hit the share icon, and choose Download File with the format that fits your needs. Follow these steps and you'll have clean, shareable GA4 data in no time.